next several days. A warm front lifts north across our area this afternoon. Low pressure will pass by to our north later today into this evening. Showers and thunderstorms are likely. Some thunderstorms may become severe, especially across northern and central Maryland, northern Virginia, and the eastern panhandle of West Virginia. The primary threat for severe thunderstorms will be damaging wind gusts. A cold front will pass through the area late tonight into Friday. High pressure will build overhead Friday night through Saturday night, bringing less humid conditions. The high will move off the coast Sunday, and the humidity will return due to a southerly flow. More showers and thunderstorms are possible next week as a cold front approaches the area. The Maryland portion of the Chesapeake Bay, tidal Potomac River, and adjacent counties in central Maryland and northern Virginia, as well as the District of Columbia. Day 1, this afternoon and tonight. Thunderstorms are likely late this afternoon and evening. A few thunderstorms may become severe, with damaging wind gusts being the primary threat. Large hail and an isolated tornado are also possible. A tornado watch is in effect for northern Maryland, including Baltimore, northeastern West Virginia, and far northern Virginia until 9 p.m. Days 2 through 7, Friday through Wednesday. No hazardous weather is expected at this time. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation may be needed this afternoon and evening. This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following, Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland, tidal Potomac from Cobb Island, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia, and Choptank River. Small craft advisory remains in effect from 6 p.m. this evening to 4 p.m. Friday. Winds 18 to 33 knots within the small craft advisory. A small craft advisory means that wind speeds of 18 to 33 knots are expected to produce hazardous wave conditions to small craft. Inexperienced mariners, especially those operating smaller vessels, should avoid navigating in these conditions. This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following, tidal Potomac from Key Bridge to Indian Head, Maryland, tidal Potomac from Indian Head to Cobb Island, Maryland, Eastern Bay, Patuxent River, Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, Patapsco River, and Chester River. Small craft advisory remains in effect from midnight tonight to 4 p.m. Friday. Winds 18 to 33 knots within the small craft advisory. A small craft advisory means that wind speeds of 18 to 33 knots are expected to produce hazardous wave conditions to small craft. Inexperienced mariners, especially those operating smaller vessels, should avoid navigating in these conditions. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 397, effective until 9 o'clock p.m. This watch includes the following counties: in Maryland, Baltimore, Carroll, Frederick, and Hartford, and the Maryland independent city of Baltimore, and the following counties: in Pennsylvania, Adams, and York, and the following: Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland, and Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. And now a special weather statement from your National Weather Service. Issued at 1:33 p.m., the National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has activated the Skywarn Amateur Radio Network. Thunderstorms will be capable of producing damaging winds, heavy rainfall, and isolated tornadoes. The primary net frequency is 147.300 MHz. Spotters are encouraged to relay any severe weather reports to the National Weather Service. Severe weather safety rules. Damaging thunderstorms are possible this afternoon and evening. Residents across the Baltimore metro areas, northern Maryland, northwest Virginia, and the eastern West Virginia panhandle should monitor the situation very closely and ensure your NOAA weather radios are set to alert mode. Severe weather warnings may become necessary. Here are some safety rules to keep in mind when severe weather is expected or is occurring. If a warning is issued, seek shelter indoors immediately. A severe thunderstorm is defined as producing quarter size or greater hail and wind gusts of 58 miles per hour or more. Tornadoes can form very rapidly from severe thunderstorms. If you are in a tornado watch and a severe thunderstorm warning is issued for your area, monitor local conditions closely and be ready to take quick action to save your life. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio, or television for the latest on this potential severe weather event. Additional weather information can be found at weather.gov/Washington or weather.gov Baltimore.
The 2 p.m. observation.